Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Cadillac Escalade with a dead key fob. First, find the small release button on your key fob and slide out the hidden physical key. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Once inside, make sure the door is fully closed before proceeding to the next step. This initial action is crucial for the vehicle to recognize your attempt to start it. Now, you need to place your dead key fob in a specific spot. Many Cadillac Escalade models have a designated key fob pocket or slot, often located in the center console, a cup holder, or near the steering column. Firmly insert your key fob into this area. This special pocket contains a sensor that can read the fob's unique code even when its internal battery is completely drained, allowing the vehicle to recognize it. With the key fob securely in its designated spot, you are ready to start the engine. First, press the brake pedal down firmly with your foot. While keeping the brake pedal depressed, press the engine start/stop button as you normally would. The vehicle system should now detect the fob and allow the engine to crank and start. You should hear the engine turn over and come to life. Once your Escalade is running, you should drive to a service center or a local store to get a new battery for your key fob as soon as possible. It's also a great idea to keep a spare battery in your glove compartment for future emergencies. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.